Hello everyone, welcome back to KramfoTech. This is Vishesh Mehta and this is a practical session. Last time we saw about keywords and comments and identifiers and a small example of a program. And today we will cover data types. And there are many data types like Boolean, numeric, string, set, and etc. And we have covered all this in our theory lectures. Krishn Mishra sir has explained all this in the theory lectures, and we are uploading in two languages, in Hindi and in English. So those who are comfortable in Hindi, they can watch Hindi videos. Those who are comfortable in English, they can watch English videos. So let's start today's session and we'll see about data types. We'll see about numeric first. So there are three types in numeric. First one is integer, second is float, and third one is complex numbers. Starting with integer, let's take an example. Let's say x is equal to 15, right? And if I want to check whether this 15 is integer, float, boolean, etc. So to check that, I'll write type of x. So this type helps us to identify that which type it is, for example, integer or string or float. And to check this, we'll have to print this also. So I'll write print, and now let's run this. So we can see here in the console that it's giving int, and we know that 15 is an integer. Now let's take a value, let's say 15.78. Now we all know that this is a float, and if we want to check this, we'll write this print type of x, and let's run this. So we get here that it's a float. Same way we can write, let's say x is equal to true, and to check this we'll write the same thing, print type of x, and if we run this we have bool means boolean, so we know that true is a boolean. So now let's see complex numbers. We have seen integer, we have seen float, now we'll see complex numbers. So let's say, for example, I have a is equal to 6 plus 7j, and I have, let's say, b is equal to 8 plus 9j. Now I'll add this a and b, so I'll write add a plus b, and I'll print this add. So now let's see what's the output of this complex number. So we got 14 plus 16j, because like 6 plus 8 is 14, 7j plus 9j is 16j. So this is how we add complex numbers. So today we have seen two data types, numeric and boolean. Numeric has three types, integer, float, and complex numbers. And we saw boolean also. It's just basically true or false. Let's say, again, I'll show you. If I write x is equal to false. So if we check this type, and if we print this, we'll get bool, because this is a boolean. False is a boolean. So in the next video, we'll see about string, and we'll see other data types as well. There are many functions in strings, so we'll see them one by one, and till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay connected to us, and see you in next video.